All right. Today I have Best Damn Beard Wash. Now, this is a beard wash that is titled Best Damn Beard Wash. So, supposedly, it is the Best Damn Beard Wash. Says that it's formulated with plant-based ingredients to clean and soften the hardest working beards. The scent right here, it says that it's citrus, made in the US of A, and it's supplied by the Duke Cannon Supply Company. A portion of the proceeds benefits U.S. veterans. For those of you who find that very important, it benefits U.S. veterans. All right, this is the 6-ounce, fluid ounce version of this. Now, what it says right here, let me get in close so you can see this before I open it up and show you the product all together. It says, While a well-maintained beard is a symbol of power and prestige, an unruly and disheveled beard has the potential to lead society into complete anarchy. Do your duty and civilize your beard with Duke Cannon's Best Damn Beard Wash, made with plant-based ingredients to tame your mane and moisturize the skin underneath it without stripping your beard of its natural oils and power. Now it says that it has hops extract to moisturize the skin, citrus peel oil to rejuvenate, barley and wheat protein to strengthen, sounds like some sort of beer, and soybean oil to soften and condition, sulfate and paraben free. So this is the Best Damn Beard Wash. I'm going to go ahead and open it up so you can see. So inside looks almost as if it's a conditioner at first, but it is absolutely a shampoo. It feels like a shampoo for the beard, and this has a slight citrus smell to it, as it says right here, and I'm looking forward to trying this out. The Best Damn Beard Wash, formulated with plant-based ingredients to clean and soften the hardest working beards. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.